All right, so today we have a maintenance detail on my client's Honda Civic. I'm gonna walk you guys through my process, show you what I do. Yeah, let's get started. First up, just walk around, inspect what you're working with. It's not that bad. I was out here like a month ago. Got to get the wiper blades up. See all that dirt built up underneath? You're not gonna get that if you don't lift them up. Go ahead, get your 3 buckets ready. You got a rinse bucket, wash bucket, and your wheel and tire bucket. Go ahead and add a couple drops of soap to that wash bucket. And you're always going to start with the wheels and tires first. Like I said, I was here about a month ago, so you can tell by the wheel barrels, it's not that dirty. After you hit the wheels and tires, it's time to give it a pre-rinse. And now for my favorite part. And before I hit it with the wash mitt, I usually take a soft brush and I go inside the gas cap area and I hit these seals right here. So just dampen the brush, just go ahead, give it a little scrub. This part usually gets neglected. Also with the soft brush, you can hit the small cracks and crevices on the grill as well as the emblems that are hard to get with a wash mitt. Just agitate in there. Then you're gonna go around with your wash mitt, and after every panel you hit, you're gonna flip it. So you're gonna do one panel with this side, one panel with this side, then you're gonna rinse it, put it back in the wash bucket to get more soap, and keep on going all the way around. You wanna go side to side. You never wanna go in a circular motion, going from the top down. Now you're just gonna do a final thorough rinse. And now you're gonna take your one drying towel and go all around the car, going from the top down. I usually like to start with the windows while it's completely dry. That way it leaves streak-free glass and I don't have to go back and touch it up later. All right, and last up, you're gonna apply your tire dressing. You wanna make sure the tire is completely dry. If you apply it to a wet tire, it's just gonna drip, it's gonna sling, and it's just gonna look sloppy. So make sure that tire's bone dry. Drain out the pressure washer. Wrap everything up, close up shop, and you'll be on your way.